Fast. So guys, I have a massive haul for you guys. Oh my god, can you see? Can you see? Call me Jumia, call me, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omolade Ibikunle, and if this is your first time stumbling upon my channel, you're most definitely welcome. I have prepared a really nice place for you to sit down and feel comfortable. I've decorated it with red velvet material and I've inscribed the words subscribe on it. It's right there below. Just hit the button and make yourself at home. And if you are an old timer here, you are most definitely welcome to. Today I have a beauty haul for you guys. Hey, this is my first haul video. We're going to have a lot of firsts on this channel because I just started this channel anyways, so there's going to be a lot of fast. I have a little backstory about this haul, and this is how it all started. So I was on Instagram one day, swiping left, swiping right, liking pictures, commenting on pictures, blocking people who are no value to me, and I came upon Browniegrams, that's Bella, Browniegrams Instagram page, Insta story where she was doing a mini Insta story haul. And at that very moment, I felt like buying beauty products. I really don't know what came over me. I don't know whether Bella jazzed that video, but then at that instant I felt like buying beauty products, and I went online on Jumia. Let's go on Jumia and buy something, you get, and let's see what we can get. And of course I go on Jumia Nigeria. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Everything I bought with my money. They actually don't even know I'm doing this video. Maybe when it goes up they'll know, and they'll like to call at me for some sort of partnership, collaboration, sponsorship, I don't know. Call me Jumia, call me, okay. So I went on Jumia and then I went to the beauty section, and of course that's the way I shop as a normal Nigerian. Once I get to the website, I go to where exactly I want to shop, and I go from lowest price to the highest price. That is how I shop. I don't want to mix match. And on the lowest batch, I came across this range of beauty products, very, very affordable, like 400 naira, 500 naira, and they claim to do a whole damn lot. And I'm like, why don't I just buy these products? The name of the line is called Yanji. So let me bring out my box of goodies, the way the way beauty gurus on YouTube do. So guys, I have a massive haul for you guys. Oh my god, can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I guess that was quite unnecessary, but I've always wanted to do it. Guys, I have a massive haul for you guys. See how big it is. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys. See, small things like this came in big boxes like this. I don't know, man. Who's that? Hello? So guys, this is the first thing, and it is this Hydra Revitalizing Cream. It's a face moisturizer. It's from Yanji also. They just didn't put Yanji on top, or maybe Yanji is in some sort of language. The thing about this is I can't read the instructions because in the foreign language. So this is how it looks. Hydra Revitalizing Cream. I love the packaging of this. Can you guys see how nice it is? The packaging is so sleek. So it's plastic but then glass at the same time. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. That's a pressy thing, but really that's not how. Oh, this is so. It smells like shea butter. That is what this smells like. And I got this for, let's see, 420 naira, not up to $2 at all. And it came in this packaging. I feel like the packaging is even already more expensive than the product. 420 naira. What? That's a bargain. I mean, moving on to the next, I have the Hydra. Is also Yanji. That's Hydra is water. Everything is water based. So is this revitalizing cleanser. It gets A1 for packaging alone. Yeah, this is the cleanser. And yeah, I read online and it's a foaming cleanse, which I have run out of from my Miniso foaming cleanse, and I'm really happy to use this. It has a pump. It has a freaky pump, and this costs 420 naira also, and the packaging is on point, very pointy. The next thing is the Yanji Hydra Revitalizing Tonic. This is what it looks like. See, so nice. And then, you know, you use your cotton, you know, wool and everything. 420 naira also. The next thing is the Yanji Intense Lightening and Hydrating Biological Fiber Mask. That's quite a lot. These are all facial masks, and I got 5 for 580 naira. I just like the black and gold detailing with the necklace and pendant. It's just so bougie. It's so nice. Oh my god, why is it so nice? That's all about the Yanji products I got. I went ahead and bought a few other things, like this Pond's oil control, long-lasting oil control cream. It's supposed to be specially formulated for African women who sweat and produce oil a lot. I'm going to be doing a test on this. This costs 3,270 naira. You get 50 ml worth of products. I'm on the hunt for primer that works and is cheap. I got this Facefinity, this Kiss Beauty All Day Primer, and it has SPF 20. That was what sold it for me. 910 naira. Packaging. Ooh, 910 naira for this. If it works, this will be my products all day every day. This one and that Pond's one. The last thing I got is this Usher's bronzer. Now I really don't know why I got this. I'm running out of powder for contour, and I thought I should buy something different and cheap. And then I realized that it has shine. Is that how? Let me do it well. See, it has shine. Is that how it's supposed to be? I mean, how is the bronzer supposed to have shine? How am I supposed to use this for highlight? Ooh, it works well for highlight too. I guess I have another highlight, and this one costs 895 naira. And everything I got on Jumia Nigeria, and then it was shipped to me. I ordered on a Thursday. It was shipped to me the next Monday, which is very nice. They called me that they were going to ship it to me on Saturday, but then my shipping address was my office, and of course I don't go to office on the weekends. At least I don't go to office most weekends. Oh my god, it's so hot. That about concludes this video. Let me know what products you've tried out of all these products. I'll sure be testing, especially the Pond's lasting oil control cream primer, and let me know if you've purchased any of these products or if you've used any of these products before. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, leave your comments, basically interact with me. I think I've said everything I need to say, so till next time, bye.